कुछ लोग ऐसे होते हैं जिनको आप कोई भी सिचुएशन में रख लो खुश ही रहते हैं, दे आर ऑलवेज हैप्पी। कुछ लोग ऐसे होते हैं जिनको आप कोई भी सिचुएशन में रख लो दुखी रहते हैं, दे आर ऑलवेज अनहैप्पी। In fact, they can find out a problem even if you give them food in a golden plate. Yes, friends, these are the people who are addicted to unhappiness. Through this video, I am going to talk about 3 best practices through which you can remove yourself or release yourself from the addiction of being unhappy. Apart from that, मैं आपको ये भी tips देने वाली हूँ that how you can practice this best practices continuously in your life. And at the end of this video, I am also going to provide you with the bonus tip that will change your complete attitude towards seeing unhappiness. So please watch this video till end and see that how happiness can give you prosperity, motivation as well as success and growth in your life. Hey all, I'm Swati from Sahat Soch. At Sahat Soch, we talk and discuss about amazing and incredible topics through which you can take control of your life. If you are new to my channel, you are most welcome. Please ensure to subscribe my channel, share the videos as well as click on the like button. Also click on the bell icon so that you get notification whenever I release my new videos every week. हमारी सहज सोच फैमिली धीरे धीरे बढ़ रही है, आप भी शामिल हो जाइए। Practice gratitude. Focus on the things that you have and do not focus on the things that you don't have. It is wisely said also that count your blessings, do not count the problems. Well friends, if you want to shift from unhappiness to happiness, keep a watch or try to see towards the things that you already have. अगर आपका कंसंट्रेशन आपके पास क्या चीज़ें हैं, छोटी से छोटी चीज़ों पे भी अगर आप कंसंट्रेशन करोगे तो धीरे धीरे आपका एटीट्यूड ऐसा बिल्डअप होने लगेगा कि यू विल बी एबल टू काउंट द ब्लेसिंग्स एंड बी हैप्पी। यू विल नॉट फ्रॉन और आप दुखी नहीं होगे जो चीज़ें आपके पास नहीं है। और बिलीव मी, हर एक चीज़ दुनिया में कभी नहीं मिलती। If you agree with me, please give a thumbs up in the comment section below. As soon as your brain will feel the positivity, you will be happy about it. We are only happy when we are positive. हमें कोई चीज़ अच्छी लगती है तभी हम happy रहते हैं. So that is what is a basic fundamental in this. I would like to repeat here, count your blessings and not your problem. My tip on how you can practice gratitude को एटीट्यूड बना लो या तो उसको हैबिट बना लो। आप ये कैसे कर पाओगे? हर रोज रात को सोने से पहले जस्ट ट्राई टू रिमेंबर और रिकॉल छोटी से छोटी अच्छी चीज़ जो आपने दिन में की हो, पूरे दिन में। बहुत ही छोटी से छोटी चीज़ें भी मायने रखती है टू बी पॉजिटिव। एज सिंपल एज जैसे आज आपने पौधों को पानी दिया, या तो you're not a good cook but still you were able to prepare a good delicious dish for your family, या तो you were able to give a positive advice to your colleague, और या तो you have helped somebody to cross the road। कुछ भी छोटी से छोटी चीज़ें जो आपने अचीव की हो आपके दिन में, उसको याद कीजिए और वो खुशी को लेके सो जाइए। I can guarantee you that next morning when you will wake up, you'll be happy and full of positivity. For me, my today's gratitude is to thank you all to subscribe my channel. Let me know what is your gratitude of the day for today in the comment section below. Practice enjoying every moment. Count your smiles and not tears. Yes friends, life is too short to waste, and above all, being unhappy throughout your life not done. Do not waste your days, years and entire life on being unhappy. You'll see many people, जैसे अगर बारिश है तो उनको पानी से प्रॉब्लम हो जाता है, अगर समर है तो उनको गर्मी से प्रॉब्लम है, ठंड है तो ठंड से प्रॉब्लम है। How can you find problem in every moment of your life? How is it possible? There are moments in your life which are full of happiness. try to remember, recall those moments and practice enjoying those moments. There are people जो कुछ past की चीज़ें जो उनके life में हुई होगी जो अच्छी नहीं है, they always keep on playing it in their mind and rewind and play, and this goes endless. Even after spending many years of life, they remember something which would have happened in their childhood and be unhappy today. Why? Friends, try to practice smile and enjoyment or happiness in every moment of life. So my tip to practice enjoying every moment of our life is that whenever you feel unhappy, I would suggest you to ask these 3 basic questions to yourself. Number 1, is this situation life-threatening? Number 2, can I change or amend it whatever has happened in the past? And number 3, what was one good thing that has happened in whatever bad thing which happened to me? There is always one good thing that happens no matter whatever situation you are. So friends, there is always a silver lining in whatever happens in our life. Try to get an attitude to see that silver lining, that is enjoying every moment and be happy and get rid of addiction to unhappiness. Practice to stop regretting. Regret हमारी लाइफ का हिस्सा बन जाता है. हमें कई बार ऐसा होता है कि अगर मैंने ये चीज़ नहीं की होती तो ये चीज़ नहीं होती, या तो मैं कोई और लेवल पे होती. लेट मी गिव यू एग्जांपल. अगर मैंने 12th में पढ़ाई की होती तो मैं इंजीनियर बन सकती थी या डॉक्टर बन सकती थी. अगर मैंने वो वाली जॉब चूज़ कर ली होती तो आज मैं टॉप मैनेजमेंट में होती. अगर मैंने ये वीडियो पहले बना लिया होता तो मेरे ख्याल से मेरे सब्सक्राइबर ज़्यादा होते. ये सब चीज़ों को सोच सोच के दुखी रहना, रिग्रेट करना doesn't make any sense. Rather than try to take the lesson from your past mistakes. अगर यही मिस्टेक आप दोबारा नहीं दोहराओगे तो आपको वापस दुखी होने का चांस ही नहीं मिलेगा. तो एडिक्शन कहाँ से होगा? इट इज़ अ लूप. कई एक जगह से अगर आप वो लूप को काट देते हो तो आपका जो अनहैप्पीनेस के साथ का एडिक्शन है वो खत्म हो जाएगा. My tip for practicing to stop regretting. Instead of lamenting on your fate, make and conquer your world. I would rather suggest that एक rule ही बना लो that you are not going to regret on whatever has already happened in your past. Rather than that, you will learn from it and you will move forward and make your future much more brighter and happier. Cultivation of optimistic mindset significantly increases your chances of health, wealth and happiness. Have you heard about law of attraction? It is the most powerful law in this universe. This law works on that whatever you think more grows more. If you think more positivity, you will attract more positivity. And if you think more negativity, you will attract more negativity. My tip for practicing optimism. Always say positive statements, always have positive thinking and always give positive response. आप हमेशा positive words use कीजिए. Try to avoid negative words. For example, why did you not tell me this? Instead of that, you can always say, I would have appreciated if you would have told me this. या तो I'm not able to lose my weight. Rather than that, you can always say, I have to work harder to be in shape or to be more fit or to be more healthier. So try to use positive words. This will leave positive impact and that will give a positive energy to boost your motivation and move forward in life. These are some of the affirmations which you can say every morning. You can download these affirmations from the link provided in the description box below. It is hard to be satisfied with life if you are not satisfied by yourself. Friends, unhappiness is a choice and the art of being happy is to be satisfied by yourself. Happiness is your own virtue wherein you have to stop comparing yourself with others or stop looking at what others have and you don't have. Rather than that, as said in the beginning of the video, count your blessings and not problems. I will meet you next week again with one more creative video. Till then, be safe, be healthy and keep smiling.